In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print the Gantt chart in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll be able to print either the full schedule with the task table or just the Gantt bars, and you'll know how to make it fit nicely on the page. Start by preparing the view you want to print. In the desktop app, go to the View tab and choose Gantt chart so you're looking at the standard timeline with tasks on the left and bars on the right. Before you head to the printer, adjust the timescale so your schedule fits the way you expect. You can zoom in or out from the View tab, or simply right-click the timescale at the top of the chart to change it to days, weeks, or months. Think about what the audience needs to see. If you're sharing a high-level plan, a broader timescale like months works better. For detailed timing, weeks or days are clearer. If you only want certain tasks included, apply a filter first, or hide any columns you don't need. What you see on screen is the starting point for what will appear on paper. When you're ready, go to File and then Print. This opens Print Preview along with all the key print settings. In the Settings area, decide whether to print the entire project or limit it to specific pages or a date range. Choose the page orientation. Landscape is usually the best fit for Gantt charts because it gives the bars more horizontal space. Pick a paper size that matches your needs. Larger formats like A3 or Ledger can help long schedules fit without becoming tiny. Look carefully at the preview to confirm the date range and content are correct, then click Print to send it to your printer. If your preview spans too many pages, open Page Setup from the print screen and use the options to fit the schedule. Fit Timescale to End of Page helps the chart end neatly at the page edge, and Scale to Fit lets you set it to 1 page wide by a chosen number of pages tall. Keep readability in mind. Extreme scaling can shrink text in bars, so adjust until the preview looks clear. If you want only the Gantt bars, drag the vertical divider between the task table and the chart all the way to the left before printing. And if the table still shows up, create a custom table with 0 width columns so only the chart area prints. Check the preview one last time and you're set.